EverSmile AlignerFresh Original Clean, AlignerFresh Cleaning Foam for Invisalign, ClearCorrect, Essix, Hawley trays, aligners. Cleans, kills bacteria. One of a kind, the only wearable aligner cleaner. Works under aligner buttons attachments. Packaging may vary. Whitens teeth, gradually whitens teeth with no tooth sensitivity. Freshens breath, kills 99.999% of bacteria that cause bad breath tooth decay. Easy to use, no soaking or rinsing required. Just wear go. Wear all day, Whiten WH. By adding AlignerFresh Original Clean to your everyday oral hygiene game plan, you're preventing aligner buildup and funk before it becomes an issue. We suggest using it in the morning, at night and after meals for best results. If you get thrown off your routine, it happens, and notice heavy buildup or discoloration, don't sweat it. Simply soak your trays in AlignerFresh Original Clean for 5 minutes for a deeper clean. You can even use a soft-bristled toothbrush with AlignerFresh Original Clean to remove aligner buildup. Be gentle, brushing too hard can scratch your trays and give them a cloudy appearance. Remember that AlignerFresh Original Clean is more than an aligner cleaner foam. It's a multitasking formula with bacteria-eliminating power and whitening that can be used in retainers for long-term maintenance. Keep it handy for a lifetime of benefits for your oral health. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing for aligners. This stuff was recommended to me. It not only cleans my aligners, but it helps to keep them clear and whiten my teeth. It tastes good and freshens your breath. It even makes my lips taste minty for a while after putting them in. I highly recommend this product for your aligners.